Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about automotive oil film cleaning brush. Right, so we are just going to talk about whether this is a legit or just a scam. So let's just go and find out. If it is available in Amazon, then automatically you can just consider this as a legit because of course you're going to get a delivery. And if this website or this product is fake, automatically you can just go and view from their reviews, right? The thing is that, and if you don't know what is a automotive oil film cleaning brush, as you can see here, it's a tool made to clean windshield by removing oil films and water stains that confirm you can see clearly while driving. So this just solve a pretty normal problem. And as you can see here, the prices and everything and the uses and does it really work? Yeah, you can see this as it really work and it's really nice. So is the automotive oil film cleaning brush legit? Yes, but make sure from wherever you're purchasing, make sure there should be a customer review, right? And there should be a clearly information. If you're just buying from Amazon, then make sure they have all this information here, right? For example, if I just go and buy this one, right? If I just go and select, as you can see here, this have a pretty good reviews and everything, and this 3.5, not bad, right? And you can just buy this product, you can just read it, right? So it's completely up to you. The product is nice, just make sure that you're buying from a good site. That's it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.